All right, welcome everybody. We got week 22 walkthrough here. We're watching to-do list this week. We got two things. Remember, no school Monday. So that means Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on your hour. You're going to watch this wave reviews, talking about the properties of waves as well as period and wavelength. And then we're going to complete these extra wave review math problems. Okay, so that's about wave speed, things like that we touched on briefly. You can either complete them with me or complete them and then do the review problems with the walkthrough here. And then that's preparations for the wave properties worksheet. Remember, worksheet, take it as many times as you needed to get 100%. Okay. Then Thursday and Friday, we're going to watch or open this web page. It has a introduction to electromagnetic spectrum. There's a video and some paragraphs that NASA put together. It's really informative, so we'll go through that. And then you're going to download the flame test or electromagnetic spectrum lab. And then you're going to need both of these lab videos in order to complete it. So make sure you watch this video if you are not in class. All right, love you guys. Appreciate you. I'll talk to you later.